Hello, everyone. Jerry DuPaw here with the Achieving the American Dream podcast. And I have another special guest with me today, one of our own at Rate, Katalina Melo, right? Katalina Melo. But we were just talking in our office, and we decided to quickly film, a little presentation here on, we were talking about our CashReady program that you're not fully familiar with, right? So, we're just going to kind of tell you how that works and how it could help you win the bid almost every time. So, we were seeing a lot of people that we've had pre-approved, and they go to make an offer on a house, and then they find out there's another offer, and then there's two other offers. So it really is.
Especially now with these investors.
Yeah, right. And then there's cash coming in that you're competing with, and it's. And there's two demographics going for the same house, the first-time home buyer and the downsizing baby boomer. But luckily for our buyers at Rate, we came up with a really awesome solution to help them really win the bid almost every time.
Yeah, I was so curious. He was mentioning about they can compete with the cash offer, and I'm like, let me learn more about it.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so all we require is that our clients get underwritten with us up front, which literally that process can take a day or even less, as long as you just provide your documentation with our Rate app. It's amazing as long as you do.
So fast.
So quick.
It's incredible.
It's in Spanish. You help a lot of Spanish buyers.
You can get all the closing docs and everything in Spanish from start to finish. So really good.
And you have great representation for any questions that you have when you're in the app. You just call Katalina and she'll be able to answer those very quickly and professionally for you. I've been hearing her in the office. She's great. So going back to CashReady, though, to help your offer stand out and look strong, especially if it's the home that you really want and desire, when you have a contingency to get a mortgage or even a house to sell contingency, it's hard to compete with cash, with someone else that's making a cash offer, right? Or even, just another offer. It's hard to compete when you have these contingencies. So as long as we underwrite you up front, we know your loan's going to be approved and you're all pre-underwritten. We'll get our CashReady team involved when you go to make your offer. And there's a couple different ways you can use it. Let's just say you don't have a house to sell and you're just trying to make your offer super strong. That's the least expensive way. It costs 0.5% of the purchase price that you would pay at the closing. But when you go to structure your offer and write your offer to the seller, you literally write all cash, no financing contingency, no appraisal contingency. You can still do your home inspections and stuff like that. You have that 5-day attorney review to make sure, there's nothing wrong with the house. But after that, we're guaranteeing to the seller that your offer is going to be fully backed by cash. So whatever that closing date is in the contract, we're guaranteeing the loan's going to close. Now in the background, you're still going to get your loan from us, the same normal loan, same interest rate, nothing changes with that. And we're going to, 99% of the time, same price, and nothing changes there. And you're going to most likely close on that loan on the closing date that we promised to the seller. If for some reason whatsoever it gets delayed, we will step in and buy that house for cash from the seller, because that's what the contract says. Yeah, that's the promise. So if that were to happen, if we had to do that, then the program cost increases, because now it's a little bit more risky for us. Now we're the owners of the house. You can move in the day we buy the house, so you can move right in. But the program fee goes from 0.5% to 1.9% of the purchase price is what it would cost you.
And if they move in, will they have to pay anything?
So just
like that percentage.
Well, so that's the program fee is one part of it. But so let's just go back to a scenario if someone has a house to sell. Okay. Say they have a home sale contingency and a mortgage contingency. That's 2 strikes, right? So in that scenario, we would actually make an offer for them, and we would be the buyers of the contract, and we would make an offer all cash to the seller. We could close within 2 weeks because it's cash. All we need is title work. They can move into the house, but we're going to want them to list their house within a reasonable time, 7 to 10 days. And we want them to we want to approve what they're going to list their house for. And also they have to agree every 21 days to price reductions, because we don't want to be owning this house forever. We want you to buy it back from us, but you need to sell your house first to buy it back from us, right? So in order to do that, we would buy the house for them cash. They can move into the house as they're listing and selling their house. Once they sell their house, then they can buy the house back from us, because now they have their proceeds. They don't have to count that payment against them because their house is sold. So they buy the house back from us at the same purchase price, the same mortgage, the same interest rate they would have got in the first place. And that was a way for them to make a cash offer. Now, the time from when they move into the house until they buy it back, you're absolutely right. Just like any other rent back, there's going to be costs for insurance and costs for interest. So those get calculated and added up, and they just get added at the closing when they buy the house back from us. There'll be an invoice for whatever that amount was. So,
interesting.
Yeah.
I think this can really help a lot of buyers with those efforts.
It helps a ton of people. And you know what? It also helps people that feel like they're stuck and they can't sell a house. They can't move because they have to sell a house.
It's one or the other.
Right.
And this one you can have it all. With rate, you can have it all.
That's right. We got all the solutions here. We're ready to go and help you every single day right here in Crystal Lake locally. You can call us at any time.
If you have any questions about this specific program, you know who to call.
Sounds good. Thanks, everyone. It's nice to